So, hello everyone. My name is Firoz, and this is day 3 of 100 Days of Coding Challenge. So, in day 3, we are going to solve the problem that is that reverse an array. So, we have a given array, we will reverse it. So, here is that input, like it will given 1 2 3 4 5 element of array. Then we have to reverse this 5 4 3 2 1. Then we are going to see the brute force approach and optimize approach. And each question we will solve in VS Code, and after that we are going to solve in a coding platform. So first let's understand what is brute force approach for this question. So in the brute force you have a given array of 5 element. So what we will do, we will create a new array of same size and same length, and we just copy this all the element in that array. This is our idea, and we will return that new array, or we can print that one. So let's see. Suppose we have a index 0 to 4, and each element, like first element is denoting as index 0 and the last element is denoting as index 4. So what we will do, we will take the last element and we will store in our new array, and at the end we will print that array. So here, suppose this array is ARR. So index of 4 means 5. So 5 will I will store in reverse 0 1. Then again index of 3 means 4. Then 4 I will store in reverse 1. Then index of 2 means 3. Index of 1 means 2. That I will store in reverse 3. Index of 0 means 1. So at the end we will print our reverse array, that is reverse variable name. So it will look like 5 4 3 2 1. So we will now solve in a VS Code. Let's get started. Reverse array brute force dot java. Here we got the template of that class. Day 3, we can rename as a day 3. Currently it is a day. So it's changed. Now from here we will start the coding. We will first write our main method, that is public static void main, and then we will write string outs. Now here we are going to declare our first given array, that is ARR. Here we are initializing the array with 5 element. I can take 1 2 3 4 5. So here that ARR will have a 5 element, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Fine. Now I am going to call one function, that is a reverse array, that I will pass here my variable name of that array, and here I will declare my name of that function, public static. Return type will be reverse array, and then here I will hold that reverse array. can write the same name. Fine, my function is ready. So whatever it will return from here, we need to store somewhere. So int reverse it will store, and from here we can print that one. This is for each loop. System.out.print ln, and here we will write our num plus space. So this is complete. Now we are going to write our main logic. So what is that main logic? In the brute force we will create one array and we will going to store each element from last to first. So here we will first calculate the size of my array dot length. Then I am going to create my reverse array that will store from last to first. Here I will create the instance of array of the size n. Till here it is fine. Now I am going to write the main logic. I will return here my reverse array. So I will store that value in a reverse array and then I will return that one. So int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus. So what is that logic? Here we are doing, we are storing last number to the first of reverse. So we will write reverse of I, that is 0, and it is reverse of 4, ARR of 4. Then we will write ARR and is the length of the size minus I minus 1. Fine. And this is the, it will work like that. If it is 0, then 0, and here it is 4. If it is 1, then 1 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Means 5 minus 2, 3. Then again it will work like that. 2, when I is equal to 2, then it is 5 minus 2, that is 3, and again minus 1, that will become 2. So whatever ARR of 2 has the value, it will store in reverse. So our coding is complete. Let's run and try whether it is working fine or not. So to run that one, we are writing java 3 underscore. We have to write the same name of that as the name of that class, reverse array brute force. So here we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is the next line. We are added ln. So we will remove the ln and we will run again. So now we are getting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So our value is reverse. So here we are using one, we are creating one array of n size. So obviously the time complexity will be n, but we are using extra array for storing, so the store space complexity will become n. So this brute force n and time complexity, and n for extra array we are using for space, that is taken n. So the space complexity will be n. Now we will see the optimized approach. So again we will create day 3. Optimize array dot java. Optimize reverse array dot java. So here from day 3, this one we will just copy this main method because no need to write again and again. So we will copy and from reverse this one also we will copy this one. Till it is fine. So our main logic will be inside this. Okay, so first understand that what is the no need to return anything directly void, automatically it will work. We will use void. In that function we use return type. Here we will not use any return type, we will use public static void. So in this approach we are going to use two pointer technique. The two pointer technique is a famous technique which we can solve any problem, most of the array related problem. So here we will use two pointer. This is called two pointer technique because we are using two pointers. One is any one, you can take the first one is start or end, or you can take left, right, p1 p2 anything. So here we are taking the start as a left and end is a right. So what we will do, we will just swap left and right, and then we will move left plus plus, right plus plus. So let's visualize how this will be work. Suppose we are given array 1 to 5. So step 1 left, first element is a AR of 0 and last element is AR of 4. So 1 and 4 will swap and it will become 5 4 1 5 4 5 2 3 4 1. Then if it will become left plus plus and right minus minus, means one index we are going forward from left plus plus and one index we are coming back from right minus minus. So it will become 5 4 3 2 1 because 2 and 4 will swap, so it will become 5 4 3 1. So if left right having same value we can stop, so the final will become 5 4 3 2 1. So this one is looking nice, like easy approach, two pointer technique. So let's take the two pointer. You can declare the two pointer by using, we can take left right only. Int left is equal to 0, fine, and then here only we can take right also. Right, what we will take, the last index. What is the last index? Last index means the length of that array. We are taking the index, so we will minus 1. Till here it is fine. So now what we will do, we will check the condition, means left will go left, right will go right, till when it is equal. So we can check the while condition, or we can use the for any loop. Suppose left is less than right, till then it will go left is less than right. So here what we will do, we will swap. We can we can use different way of swapping, but here we are using third variable of swapping, means we will take one variable temp. Inside that we will store our first element left, then our left element will become, then in this left we can store what, right, fine. Then again what we store in temp we can store in error of right. Fine. From here now what we are doing, left plus plus and then right minus minus. Same as this approach. Here what we are doing, we are increasing the one index of left and decreasing the one index of right. So it will go left left right right. We are not using n, so we can remove this one, no need of this length of size. We are directly taking the right. And here reverse int and reverse, it is showing some error. So here instead of a reverse we can use ARR, because that changes only it will reflect, after that it will change that variable values. So here at day 3 we need to, I will copy from here. So here we got the same result as previous. Reverse also we are getting 5431, here also we are getting. So this is the optimized solution, because here we are not using any extra space. We are just dealing with that array only. We are just taking the one variable, that is O of n, temp. So we are here using one variable only. So the time complexity and space complexity for this, time complexity of n, because we are using one loop, that is for loop, and we are using only one variable, that is temp. That's why it's big of n. So now we are going to solve one geeks for geeks problem, that is reverse an array. So here is that problem. So you are given an array of n, you have to reverse the same way, 155 4 3 1. So we have done here the two pointer technique, so we can copy paste our logic here. This one you can copy, and here we can paste, because we have already written that code, right? So we will check whether it is passing all the test cases or not. Here we are passing all the test cases, so we are good to go to run. So yeah, almost 1115 test cases passed. Boom, we have completed our day 3 challenge, that is reverse an array. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and do share my videos. Thank you very much.